Friends, welcome to my workplace at Ranaghat, West Bengal, India. Let us observe this totally unedited surgery. This cataract appears like a cycle spoke cataract. You can see the radial lines, radial black lines. This is cortical cataract and it is resembling the wheel of a bicycle. There is a patch on the posterior aspect. It is posterior subcapsular cataract, though it appears like a posterior polar cataract. So the surgery is in progress. By this time the incisions have been made and this is capsulorhexis being done with the help of a Uedited forceps. The rhexis tended to extend at 3 o'clock, but it was easily controlled. Hydrodissection is done because I was sure that it is not posterior polar cataract, it is a posterior subcapsular cataract. And now the cataract is soft and I am going to divide this cataract using this nucleus manipulator and this prechopper. The two instruments come to each other and you divide the nucleus in no time. Rotate, divide on heminucleus and come out. So we have divided the nucleus into 2 heminuclei and on heminucleus has been divided into 2 fragments. Now the main wound is enlarged to about 3 mm and the handpiece is introduced. Without enlarging the main wound, one can go, that is another option. And now the pieces are picked up and emulsified. This is the second piece, brought to center and emulsified. On heminucleus easily, divided into 2 fragments and emulsified. This is the last fragment. At this time the vacuum is reduced. Initially the vacuum was 480, now it is 400. And now with this 400 vacuum, the cortex and epinuclear shell and cortex is being removed. We can do this with bimanual irrigation aspiration, but with bimanual it is going to take longer time. And with this handpiece itself, we can reduce the time, but we have to be safe. We have to develop the skill to use this. If we catch the posterior capsule, we should be able to immediately stop and use reflux. So before you go for this handpiece to remove the cortex, you develop that skill gradually make yourself confident. Gradually develop that reflex to use the reflux if you catch the PC. And now the lens goes in the capsular bag. The irrigating probe itself is used to dial the lens, and we are towards the end of this surgery. A bit of moxifloxacin is injected. The side port is closed by hydrating corneal stroma, and a final lavage of the anterior chamber is done. So this was a soft cataract. The cataract appeared like the wheel of a bicycle. So I am naming the cataract a cycle spoke cataract. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope this video will help you in developing your surgical skill. It will inspire you to do surgery safely but quickly.